In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the no sound issue in Davinci Resolve 17. This is part one of a quick tip series dedicated to helping you overcome this common problem efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right into it. First, make sure you have Davinci Resolve open and running on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, take a moment to get it from the official Blackmagic Design website and get it set up. Now with Davinci Resolve ready, the first step is to click on the project you are working on, or if you prefer, start a new one. This will allow us to access the workspace where we can troubleshoot any sound issues. Once your project is open, navigate to the edit page. The edit page is where most of your project setup and adjustments are carried out. It offers a comprehensive timeline and various controls that can be crucial for resolving sound problems. It's essential to be comfortable moving around this page because it's the central hub for many tasks in Davinci Resolve. Now that we're on the edit page, look to the top right of your workspace for a button named Inspector. Clicking on the inspector gives you access to a range of detailed settings for the selected clip, which includes audio changes that could solve your problem. The inspector panel is your trusty tool for making precise adjustments across various aspects of your footage. With the inspector tab open, direct your attention to the audio section. Clicking on audio unfolds several options geared towards audio management and modifications. This part is where we can start making real progress toward resolving any issues with sound in your clips. Next, focus on the volume control within the audio options. Click on the volume setting and this will allow you to adjust the sound level of your clip. Sometimes the volume is set too low or even muted, and a simple adjustment can resolve the issue. Try increasing the volume here to see if it restores sound to your project's playback. These steps should aid you in tackling the no sound problem efficiently. It's crucial to check these basic settings first before moving on to more complex troubleshooting. If, after following these steps, you're still experiencing issues, don't worry. This video is just one part of a series and we'll explore further tips and techniques in the upcoming episodes. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for part 2, where we'll delve into more advanced solutions for audio issues in Davinci Resolve 17. Until next time, happy editing.